All right, hello again. This is problem number 6 of Unit 7 review. All right, so if you look at it, number 6, let's read it together. What are the solutions to the system of equations below? It gives you two equations, and it just so happened the first equation, all right, this is the first equation. I'm going to label it. Okay, and this one here is the second equation. It just so happened that the first equation, on the first equation, one of the variable is already alone. All right, so as I have been showing you in class, box them up, the information. Okay, x equals to 2y plus 8 on the first equation. All right, and look for where x is on the second equation, right there at the end. So therefore, you will substitute the value of x on the first equation, which is 2y plus 8, into x in the second equation. So let's now solve it. So write down, okay, 0 equals to negative 4y, okay, minus 4 minus x. Oh, x is 2y plus 8. There. Okay? If you look at it now, we have only one type of variables, which is y in the equation. So we should be able to solve y. Okay? From left to right, let's simplify and solve. 0 equals to negative 4y. Okay? Minus 4. Okay? Negative plus 2. Okay? Look at that. Negative plus 2, because we will distribute it, right? I'm going to change my color. So I'm going to distribute the sign, okay? Actually, there is a negative 1 that's silent in there right now, okay? So back to black, all right? So negative, see that negative 1, which is silent, times positive 2, or as I would say, negative plus makes it negative 2y, okay? And negative plus 8 makes it negative 8. All right? So then we look at like terms on the right-hand side of the equation. On the left-hand side, you only have 0. So if we combine that, we have a new equation that is negative 4y plus negative 2y is negative 6y. All right? And then we also combine like terms, the other like terms, negative 4 and negative 12, which gives us negative 12, right? All right, so in this case right now, we can cancel either negative 6y or negative 12. But because we are so used to canceling the constant, okay, in the classroom, why don't we just add 12 on both sides? Add 12. Like I mentioned, you can actually cancel negative 6y on the right-hand side so that it moves to the left-hand side, okay? So negative 12 and positive 12 cancel each other. Now you have 12 on the left-hand side of the equation. Negative 6y is on the right-hand side. Okay, now you divide both sides by negative 6. The coefficient of this term, okay, divide by negative 6 over here. So y is now, okay, negative 2. All right, y is negative 2. All right, are we done? Do we need to find x? Well, let's see. The choices that we have, okay, it gives us y equals to negative 2 twice. Look at that. So we don't know what the value, we need to find the value of x, right? So if we need to find the value of x, then we need to plug y equals to negative 2 into one of the original equation. And it just so happened, okay, it just so happened that this equation here, look at that, the first equation that we dealt earlier, x is already alone. So I'm going to use that, and I'm going to say, okay, just keep on going this way, all right? So x equals, we need to find the value of x, okay, 2y. Oh, I know y, negative 2. all right, plus 8. There you go. So x is negative 4 plus 8, all right? So x is positive 4, all right? So x positive 4, y negative 2, and that would be choice number, or the first choice, which is A, okay? There you go. That's how you solve this kind of problem. All right, thank you, bye.